Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so quick look at the daily chart, and what we saw yesterday was support at the daily lower band, resistance at the 50-day exponential moving average. We saw another move down to the daily lower band. Actually, at the time that this impacted down at 45 and change, it was the daily lower band. Bollinger Bands, he tried to say, expand and contract constantly. So what's on the chart is not always reflective of where the band was when price came into contact with it. So you've seen a bounce off the daily lower band here. So that's 2 days in a row. I would expect if the bulls can keep up this momentum, which is about 40 handles worth of momentum, we can go back and test the round number at 2,700. And potentially, if they really get going, we can go ahead and take another look at the 50-day exponential moving average. What do the bears want? The bears want this to be a lower high. They want a big move down, bear market rally, resistance, and then they want to knock it down. They want to make a lower low. The bear market rally and the lower low, the potential lower high in a daily chart doesn't get confirmed unless you break this 25.29 on Blovex. And that's going to be, it's starting to seem as the days go on, kind of a Herculean effort, at least in my opinion. All right, let's look at the hourly chart. Again, up here is a test of the bear's resolve. Monthly pivot, weekly pivot. Daily mid-band comes in today around 86. So 86 to 97 is a big deal. Here's where your 50-day exponential moving average rejected. So you had a nice little move off the low. The bears really need this to be like a bear flag that's breaking down. The problem is over the course of the overnight, they've kind of stepped in, they've regained the hourly mid-band. We're compressing for a move. The issue is, which way is it going to be? If you put it to me, I would say chances are it's up. Right now, we've had a 56 risk marker all night, and we're currently long around. We traded overnight nicely, and now we got a really nice long going from around 62 to 64, depending on where folks got in on this retest in the 6 o'clock hour, all the way back down to 57. Again, our risk marker was 56. Just to give you an idea of what we've got going on with our subscribers over in the room. It continues to be a fantastic trader tape. I'm having a blast. It's a great trader tape. We got a ton of new people in, and we're having fun teaching them all this stuff. Feel free to join them. It is a great time to come in, take a trial. It's a great time to sign up. 2018 is going to be a really good trading tape. It's going to be two-sided. The bears are going to have their moments. The bulls are going to have their moments, and we'll see where that takes us. But keep an eye on the 50-day. Keep an eye on the round number 2,700, which has been an issue. 2720, 50-day. On the downside, you have to respect 56. You have to respect the 45 low from last night. And if they can break that, then you're looking for a move back to test the round number 2,600 today. So we will see. I think the other thing I will say is this, and then I'll let you go. This market's due for a boring day. It is due for an inside day. It's due for a day that doesn't do much. We have traveled 200 handles and change this week. Okay? So if this thing decides to take a day off, don't panic, but I wouldn't overtrade it. All right. Everybody have a great day. I was way too busy trading yesterday to do a ton of stuff over on social media. It was just a wacky day. I'll get back to periodic videos, pictures, Instagram, Twitter, the whole deal. And like I said, come see us. Come see us. This is the year. And we've always had good years, but this tape is really going to end up in a real nice sweet spot for us. All right. Take care. Talk to you soon. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.